200 RPM, and we'll just see how this performs a wash. The sheet itself had a little bit of a stain on it, a bit of blood on it, so we're hoping that having had a cold soak that it'll work out okay, but at the moment it's pretty quiet.
Well, I'm hoping this video is useful for those of you looking at a new washing machine from LG. We're very happy with it. Next couple of pictures just show you some of the other areas of the machine. So here's the drainage port if you need to drain anything out, and a few more shots of the overall machine. It's Wi-Fi enabled, works well, app works really great. If this video was useful for you, please like and subscribe. Many thanks.